From seeds to buildings. How we can ensure a sustainable future for the construction industry. The Swedish forest. Over half of Sweden's landmass is covered by forest. This makes the Nordic nation one of the world's most heavily forested countries. Apart from its huge cultural significance, the forest is also a cornerstone of the Swedish economy. That's why forest owners in Sweden have been obliged by law for some 100 years to ensure the growth of new forests after harvesting. The Holmen Group plants 40 million spruce and pine seedlings annually. The first step towards producing high-quality seedlings starts with collecting cones from any of the numerous orchids found in different locations throughout Sweden. The cones are collected in bags, soaked in water, and then heat-treated in a process that causes them to open up. The tree nursery in Friggesund is one of the world's most advanced, with automated systems for planting, processing, and packaging forest seedlings. High-capacity cultivation trays go into the unique artificial cultivation chamber, where temperature, humidity, and light are optimized. The new seedlings are then transferred to the large greenhouses, where they begin to sprout. When the seedlings have grown to a specific size in the nursery, which normally takes 2 to 3 years, they are treated by coating them with natural wax. This protects them from the ravages of one of their worst enemies, the pine weevil. These seedlings have a proven growth rate that is 10 to 25% higher than in natural regeneration. The time has now come to reforest the area that has been harvested. The seedlings are set in the ground one at a time using a planting tube until the entire cleared area has been replanted. At least 3 seedlings are planted for every tree harvested. In northern Sweden, a young seedling takes 70 to 100 years to become a fully grown tree. To grow trees that are suitable for wood products, the forest needs to be actively managed. Thin and crooked trees are harvested to provide enough space for straight trees to grow sufficiently tall. These harvested thin trees are often used for producing pulp, paper, paperboard, and bioenergy. When the trees grow, they continuously bind carbon dioxide. This means that our constantly growing forest is a carbon sink, providing us with natural, renewable raw materials for sustainable buildings and sustainable products that can replace concrete, steel, and plastics. Through continuous innovation and product development, the wood products industry can today deliver refined products that make both large and complex buildings possible. Glulam is often used for public buildings with large spans, such as schools and sports halls, as well as in blocks of flats and private buildings. Cross-laminated timber has unique qualities that enable tall and complex constructions. For example, the frame of one of the world's tallest wooden buildings, the 20-story Sara Culture Center in Skellefteå. As many of the wood products used for constructing buildings will remain encapsulated in the buildings for many years, they will continue to bind carbon dioxide in the future. Much of future construction will involve wood, a natural, renewable, and sustainable raw material. A raw material that we and future generations will continue to grow and refine. From seeds to buildings.